Ready to ditch the drab and dial up the fun in your Microsoft Teams meetings? This video will show you exactly how to use Snap Camera with Microsoft Teams to add filters, lenses, and a whole lot of personality to your calls. First, make sure you have both Snap Camera and Microsoft Teams installed on your computer. Open Snap Camera, take a moment to explore the lenses, find one you like. You can search for specific effects using the search bar. Now, open Microsoft Teams, click on your profile picture in the top right corner. Then select Settings in the Settings menu. Go to the Devices tab. Under Camera, click the drop-down menu and select Snap Camera. This tells Teams to use Snap Camera as your webcam. Start or join a Teams meeting. Your video should now show the Snap Camera ends you selected. If it doesn't, double-check that Snap Camera is selected as your camera in Teams settings. Want to get really creative? In Snap Camera, you can even create your own custom lenses using Lens Studio. Remember, while it's fun to use filters, keep your audience in mind. A subtle virtual background might be great for a professional meeting, while a funny filter could lighten the mood during a team social call. Finally, to switch back to your regular camera, simply go back to the Devices settings in Teams and select your default webcam from the Camera drop-down menu. And that's it. Now you can spice up your Microsoft Teams meetings with Snap Camera. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. #Snap Camera, #Microsoft Teams.